Once the rod stock is loaded in the programmed CNC lathe, digital instructions are sent to the collet and spindle. The workpiece that is firmly affixed in the collet begins rotating at a high speed. The cutting tool then approaches the workpiece until it begins cutting part geometry. If additional features like holes are needed, the rod stock quickly stops rotating and the turret adjusts so live tooling can mill those features. Final parts are shipped in as fast as 1 day, sometimes faster. Need machined parts? Get it?